Woke up this morning, I didn't think I would be wondering if snails had nipples. But then I read this headline, we sometimes milk 3,000 snails a day, and now I can't stop thinking about what snail nipples might look like. Spoiler alert, there's no nipples. Milking snails is actually more of like a pulling and tugging motion. But what I did learn is that for the last 1,500 years, Mexico's Mixtec people have extracted ink from the rare Papua snail, Papura? To dye yarn. Anyway, these guys are called tinturos, which means dyers. They detach the snails from the rocks at the Huitolco National Park in Mexico, which is on the South Pacific side of Mexico, during low tide, which apparently is actually very difficult. When they get them, they press on the snail's foot and it extracts a little bit of ink onto yarn. The ink actually starts this yellow color, but then when it gets exposed to oxygen, it starts turning green. And finally, when the UV light of the sun hits it, it starts to turn this really pretty purple color, which they call tix enda. They then take this yarn, it gets woven into blankets and clothing, and it's actually very pretty. But in recent years, the snail population has been in decline. And there's only about 14 Mixtecs that continue the snail milking tradition. Long story short, this 1,500-year art of milking snails is dying. And that's why,